Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. I am putting up a video of a 6-inch Indian Ocean Desjardini Tang that I have. I have had this guy with me probably going on 6 to 8 weeks. Absolutely gorgeous. Loves to eat. See by that big old fat belly of his. If you have any questions, 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. I apologize for the freaking glare. I'm trying to get rid of it, but I'm not doing too good. He's actually nice and calm now. I've tried to videotape him 5 different times, and I made the mistake each time of throwing food in, and he goes crazy after the food. So it's early in the morning, we're doing a video, no food. But you can see he's nice and thick, so this guy eats like crazy. He just goes insane when I throw him anything. I throw him frozen, pellets, you name it. So I figured if we do it early in the morning, it's going to be nice and relaxed. Open up your fins, dude. Come on. You're itching to do it. Somebody called me up or sent me an email. I've had that. I was gonna say somebody. I probably had a few hundred people do it already, and say they love the idea that I do videos with every single fish I sell. And I'm thinking to myself, every time I get an email like that, or a text, or a phone call, should there be any other way of doing it? No. I like surprises, but not when I'm opening up a box full of fish. That's when I don't want to be surprised, because usually the surprise is a disappointing one. So there you have it, 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. 6-inch Desjardini Tang, Indian Ocean. Before I forget the good stuff, the sale of this fish, I don't want to scare him. The sale of this fish does come with the spectrum pellets I offer for free, 125 gram size container, and that's just a tiny way of saying thank you very much for your purchase. And that's my wife calling saying, Ed, time to go. Alrighty folks.